Next up, Intel executed White Lotus. This is a Tier 2 White Lotus mission. Activate 5 UAV towers and kill 20 enemies pinged by UAV towers. All you need to do is navigate to UAV towers anywhere on the map and activate them. When you've activated them, you'll need to locate enemies nearby. Don't worry, they don't need to be players. So just make sure you have some ammo, maybe a few extra plates, and this is a very easy mission. Of course, if you get all of your kills off of one UAV, you'll just need to activate another 4 UAVs and you'll be done. So, sneaking into the town before I alert any enemies, just so I can get the most number of kills easily, and activating the tower, we can start getting some kills. If the UAV returns to base or simply turns off, you'll just need to head back to it and reactivate it. Even if it doesn't count as a new UAV activation, at least we can still get kills in the area. If you're doing well in one spot, there's no reason to not activate it and continue doing well. And just like that, I've already got 20 kills, so the last thing to do is navigate to nearby towers, activate them, and bugger off to do the rest of them. It's super simple, all we have to do is just survive a little bit. Finally, for the last one here, I'll be approaching it, and as soon as we activate it, we'll be done. And there we go, the mission is now done. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick guide. That is how to finish Intel Executed. My name's been TechnoBF for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!